Veterans make up a key part of my workforce because the discipline people have learned in the military translates directly to our operations.
It's not at all what I thought the corporate world would be. The transition from military to corporate, especially with Ford, has felt natural.
The fast-paced environment that we're used to in the service, that drew me in to want to work for Ford. It's always changing. Nothing's the same, and I love that.
For me, it was the clearly defined hierarchy, knowing who's your boss, who works underneath you. I really appreciate that coming on to Ford.
You're dealing with equipment and people. I think the skill that the Army taught me is you have to make sure that mission is completed.
Trusting your equipment, trusting your team, building that relationship, teaching those traits to your process coaches, all the training that you already learned and implementing that in the field.
In the Army, a lot of what they taught in the schoolhouse, speak to people, lead them to the common goal that we have. We do that as process coaches all the time.
In the production environment around Ford, you have to be able to multitask because there's always inputs that are coming to you through you. There's always assignments, there's always tasks, there's always goals. Somebody who's coming from the military is used to doing that.
We've got those skill sets as leaders, and we keep this production line running. That's our mission.